wonderful English learners. Welcome back to Beyond Words. I am Jessica, your English friend, and I am so excited to be with you today for our podcast.
Hello and welcome to Beyond Words, the podcast for learners who want to use English with more confidence in real-life situations. My name is Jessica, and I'm here to help you understand and speak English more naturally, step by step, day by day. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can follow me easily and repeat after me if you want. In today's episode, we are going to talk about something very important. It is not about grammar. It is not about vocabulary lists. It is about your mind. It is about your heart. Today, we are talking about not giving up on yourself. Learning a language is a journey. It is a long road. Sometimes the road is smooth. You learn new words easily. You understand a movie. You speak to a friend. You feel happy. You feel proud. But sometimes the road is bumpy. The road is difficult. You try to speak, but you forget the words. You listen to a podcast, but you don't understand. You make a mistake, and you feel embarrassed. You feel shy. Maybe you feel sad. In those moments, you might think, English is too hard. I will never be fluent. I am not smart enough. And you want to stop. You want to quit. This feeling is normal. Every learner feels this way. But today, I want to tell you, don't give up on yourself. What does it mean? What does don't give up mean? It means you keep going. It means you continue, even when it is hard, even when you are tired, even when you make mistakes. Giving up means stopping completely. Giving up means believing that you cannot do it, but you can do it. You are doing it right now. You are listening to English. You are understanding me. That is progress. That is success. Why do we want to give up? Usually, it is because of fear of mistakes, fear of judgment, or it is because of frustration. We want to be perfect immediately, but perfection takes time. Actually, perfection is not the goal. Communication is the goal. Let's imagine a situation. Imagine you are talking to someone, maybe a tourist or a colleague. You want to say a sentence, but you get stuck. You pause. You say the wrong word. Your face feels hot. You feel nervous. Your brain says, "Stop talking. Be quiet." That is the moment of choice. You can choose to give up, or you can choose to be kind to yourself. How can we stay strong? How can we keep learning when we feel stuck? I have 3 simple tips for you. Let's practice them together. Tip number 1, accept your mistakes. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are teachers. When you make a mistake, it means you are trying. If you don't make mistakes, you are not learning. So when you make a mistake, don't say, "I am stupid." Say, "I am learning." Let's practice this phrase. I will say it, and you repeat after me. Making mistakes is okay. Repeat. Making mistakes is okay. Good. Now say, mistakes help me learn. Repeat. Mistakes help me learn. Very good. Tip number 2, look at how far you have come. Do not look at how far you have to go. Don't look at the mountain top. Look at your feet. Think about last year. Think about last month. Do you know more words now? Yes. Can you understand more now? Yes. Celebrate small wins. Did you learn one new word today? That is a win. Did you listen to this podcast? That is a win. Be proud of small steps. Let's practice a positive phrase. Say this with me. I am making progress every day. Repeat. I am making progress every day. Good. And another one. Slow progress is still progress. Repeat. Slow progress is still progress. Excellent. Tip number 3. Rest, don't quit. Sometimes you are just tired. Maybe you had a long day at work. Maybe you are stressed. When you are tired, English feels impossible. Your brain is full. In that moment, don't quit English forever. Just take a break. Take a nap. Listen to music. Go for a walk. Come back tomorrow. Resting is part of the journey. Stopping for one day is not giving up. It is self-care. So repeat after me. It is okay to rest. Repeat. It is okay to rest. I will try again tomorrow. Repeat. I will try again tomorrow. Now I want to talk about the voice in your head. We all have a voice inside. Sometimes that voice is negative. It says, you sound funny. You have a bad accent. Nobody understands you. You need to change that voice. You need to be your own best friend. Would you say those mean things to a friend? No. You would say to a friend, you are doing great. Keep going. So speak to yourself like you speak to a friend. Be kind to yourself. Be patient with yourself. Let's practice some final affirmations. These are strong sentences to help you feel confident. Say them loud and clear. Are you ready? I believe in myself. Repeat. I believe in myself. I am capable of learning English. Repeat. I am capable of learning English. I am not afraid of challenges. Repeat. I am not afraid of challenges. I am proud of my effort. Repeat. I am proud of my effort. Very good. Remember, learning a language changes your brain. It opens new doors. It connects you with the world. It is a beautiful thing, but it requires patience. It requires time. Do not compare yourself to others. Do not compare yourself to native speakers. Comparison is the thief of joy. Focus on your own path. Focus on your own story. Imagine 1 year from now. If you don't give up today, think about how good your English will be in 1 year. Imagine yourself speaking freely. Imagine yourself traveling. Imagine yourself making new friends. That future is possible, but only if you keep going today. Just one step, then another step. So the next time you feel stuck, take a deep breath, smile, remember this episode, and tell yourself, I can do this, because you really can. Thank you for listening to Beyond Words. Thank you for not giving up. I am Jessica, and I am cheering for you. Keep learning, keep trying, and be kind to yourself. See you in the next episode.